Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla development series. In this video, we are going to see how we can add the custom actions for the tab views. Uh, in some scenarios, maybe you having some actions like bulk approval, archive, or something like that inside the tab section. In the last video, we have configured the uh, tabs. If you didn't watch the video, please watch that and come to the video. So, using the actions available inside the tabs list, you can configure the action for the tab section. So let's see how we can configure that. So uh, here you can see I'm currently at the VS Code. Then let's take the template for the Horilla tab. That tab inside the theme. Okay, here you can see tab actions. Basically, the tab is the tabs from the, here you can see uh, the tab. So each item will be the tab. So inside that we are accessing the actions. So the key must be actions, and the value will be iterable, like here you can see for action in tab dot actions. So it's must be iterable. Then uh, there is a accessibility check for, like, if the person is accessible to the action, then only uh, it will render this action item. Uh, i- it for when the instance is available. So currently there is no instance, so it will go to the next block. So inside the action, the first one is the ATDS, or we can just use the action for now. Let's provide the action. Then uh, provide the title like bulk approve, bulk approve. Then okay, it's iterable. Then it will be a dictionary. Okay, with a comma. Then okay, the 8 days for the action. Let's provide a alert. So in your scenario, you can use your custom logic to support the action. I'm just providing simple alert with its selected IDs. Alert. Okay. I will show the selected IDs for now. For now, just alert something like prove. For now, prove. Then just format this. Okay, something else we missed. No. So now let's restart server and let's check what actually happening there. Okay, I'm just restarting my server. Then to the browser. Let's check. Yeah, what is, yeah. Let's refresh now. Okay. Now here you can see a three dot is visible. When I click, here you can see a bulk approve. When I click on that, okay. Uh I click, but nothing is happened because I'm just provide a alert. So when you check the template, here you can see that it's raw. So you have to provide the complete attribute for uh, for the action. So in for now, I'm just using symbol on click. At your use case, you can use as per your uh, requirement or something. Okay. Now on click, I'm just providing a symbol alert with approved label. Okay. Now let's, so we'll just start it, refresh. Then here you can see the action is now triggered. So okay, how we get the selected IDs? These IDs. Okay. So when you check the list view, uh, request list here, maybe we have provided some your view ID. So this will be the ID for the list view. List view. So from inside, no, not the view ID, not the view ID. Like, uh, like what do uh, one second. Go into the list view or list view pattern view. Then yeah, it will be selected. Selected. Yeah, select an instance key ID. So search for this. Okay, I didn't provide this. So it's by default it will take this instance ID. Then when we check the template for the custom shift request, that we will shift the homepage for displaying shift request. Okay. It's shift request IDs. Okay, let's search for this ID. Okay, so we didn't use this one. So let's use that. So when you check the previous output and inspect, maybe it will be added to the search tool. Uh, this is empty, so I'm sure it will be added to the instance IDs. Okay, now let's use this shift request ID. So for that selected instance key ID, it will be okay. This one. Now let's restart the server. Okay, server is starting up. Now let's refresh. Now when you check over here, okay, this section, yeah, you will see our shift request IDs. Now when I search some of records, nothing changed. Yeah, I think this hash is unnecessary over there. So let's remove this and save the instance. Yeah, the server is restarting. Now let's refresh and check. Okay, where is our shift request ID? Beam. Okay. So let's search. The search is not. Okay. So here is our uh, shift request ID storing element. Now when I check, oh yeah, now it's working as expected. So it will be available inside this element and inside this attribute. So let's fetch the IDs from this one and inside our actions, let's have a look. So I just now simply writing a jQuery inline. Maybe I can provide. So then attr to fetch the attribute of the element and data IDs. So the data IDs. Now let's restart the server. Yeah. Then refresh. Okay. Now when you check, I click backup root. Now I think we upload some errors. Missing parenthesis. Clear check. maybe quotation mismatch. 1 second. Okay, let's use this. No, this signal is not given over here because it's not a string. Okay, it is a script that will alert the IDs selected by me. So when I refresh now, let's go to post this for now and select some records and click approve. You can see the list of IDs is now displayed over here. So that's how you configure the action for HorillaTabView. Okay. Inside here you can execute your logic in some scenarios that you having some condition like bulk approve or something like that. Or you can make use of the bulk approve feature available for the list view if it is a list view. So I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can add it in some comments. Thank you for watching.